पोल्यूशन से लड़ने के लिए, अपनी हवा साफ करने के लिए आज दिल्ली में देश का सबसे पहला स्मोग टावर लगाया जा रहा है।
This smog tower is cleaning the air in one of the world's most polluted cities. The roughly 24-meter tall tower was erected in Delhi, India, and uses 40 fans to suck dirty air through 5,000 filters in an attempt to clean the polluted air. Indian newspaper The Indian Express reports that there isn't much available data that shows smog towers actually work to clean surrounding air, so data will be collected on how the tower affects the city's air quality. New Delhi has been rated the most polluted capital in the world for the past 3 years by Swiss group IQAir. In 2020, the average annual concentration of harmful particulate matter, 2.5 particles, was 84.5 micrograms per cubic meter. And in the winter, it reached 157 micrograms per cubic meter, which is 14 times more than the World Health Organization's guidelines.